Okay, so we found these tags from Dollar General. We got them for $1 a piece. And we started by using a clear primer from Wise Owl. And then we did 2 coats of smoky quartz from Wise Owl paint as well. And once they were dry, I took this farmhouse stencil that I had, and using a Gen foam brush, I covered over the Farm Fresh with some black Wise Owl paint. Then I found these wood animal cutouts from Walmart. I believe we paid about $1 for them. And using some hot glue, I attached them to each tag. Now I had these thick paper stencils in different patterns. And using a new Gen foam brush and some antique villa, I went over each farm animal with a different pattern. I thought this was a cute way to dress up the animals. And then I took this skinny, longer board that I had, and I painted it using antique villa. I don't remember exactly where I got this from, but you could probably just use a thinner piece of wood from Lowe's. I took some jute and I wrapped it around the top of each tag, and then I took some hot glue to adhere it in place. Once I did that to all 3 tags, I took some more hot glue and I put the rooster tag on the top of my skinny board and then the cow tag on the bottom. And then I placed the pig tag in between the 2. Now all our paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And once I had all the tags in place, I took this white ribbon and I just tied a knot and I cut the ends on an angle. I made 3 of these. And then I just placed them at the top of each tag and glued them in place. And now you have this nice farmhouse wall hanging. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And you can find some more tutorials over on our YouTube. Have a great day.